what's up, my friend? Top of the morning, top of the evening, top of the noonday to you. Check it. I want to show you real quick how to play, how I play, how you can play Frontline by Chuckii Booker. This is my interpretation of this, and so hope it helps you. It's a funky little line. This is just the A section. So the kind of the secret sauce of this is the thumb. And I find that the best place to get the sound is kind of right back here or right up here by the bridge pickup. So okay, simple enough, right? Kind of a stiff thumb type of thing. It's in D, so gonna go D to that F. Those are the notes. Now, don't. It's more of a feel thing. You don't want to get caught up on the notes as much. The notes are important, but it's more of a feel thing. So, just slowing it down. I tripped myself up. There's C, so I'm plucking here with my index finger, and then an up down thing there. So. And just by nature of getting back up there, that little greasy bit comes from how my hand is sliding up to that C. It's hard to do slow because I don't think it has the same effect, but But again, the real thing is I guess the two main ingredients are going to be the up down with the thumb and the kind of looseness of the left hand. So just going up into that C octave. So that's B and A. Just a little pull off. I guess you could do it there too. That's all that is, so. And also, I think you may see that, I'm flexible with moving back and forth. So. this is one of the things you could practice is that up down motion with the thumb. That's also the kind of the thing with that whole rumble thing in that Minneapolis funk. So I'm not even concentrating on notes there. I'm just back to that whole Larry Graham thing. So sometimes I'll play rock steady like that. Okay, I'm going off the deep end there. I want to just make a really quick video about Frontline by Chuckii Booker because I did a little play along on Instagram last night. So this is a quick and dirty one. That thumb thing though. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. I'm accenting down beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch strings. 2, 3, 4. What you'll notice though, if you're new to this part of your arm, your your wrist and forearm will start to hurt a little bit. So give yourself a break, twist that out. You know what I mean? That type of thing. So if you're new to it, do it for kind of small amounts of time. Anyway, hope that helps. Peace. 2 fingers.